Pump up your holiday punch bowl. Holiday mocktails are a super easy way to shake things up, and they are undeniably delicious. Chef Nettie Frank says they're the perfect way to toast to the holidays. Hi, friend.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Well, great. We're so excited for this. I was telling you, I actually really love a mocktail. They make me feel so fancy.
I know, and I mean, just because we don't drink doesn't mean we can't have a fancy glass,
and,
you know, at a party or anything.
And who's not guilty of like pulling out just like a bunch of Diet Cokes and been like, this is what we have?
I've been there. I've been there.
And everyone loves a Diet Coke. We're fine with a Diet Coke. That's not what we're saying. We love a Diet Coke. These are just a step up.
Yes, we need to zhuzh it up. We need to zhuzh up our drinks.
You know I love the zhuzh.
Yes.
I love the zhuzh. Okay, what do we have first? What are you going to teach us?
So we are going to do a gingerbread mule. So usually it's a Moscow mule, but it's got the ginger beer in it, which is non-alcoholic. That's just a carbonated drink. So we want to start with, we're going to rim our cup first.
Rim it.
So we've got some marshmallow fluff in here. And we're just going to swirl that around. This is going to be kind of a fun one.
Yeah.
And then brown sugar. I like that.
All right, brown sugar.
I think it was sitting out.
All right, brown sugar.
You know what? We're going to go with this. This is how the holidays go sometimes, right?
You know what? We wing it.
Oh my gosh. Yep. Okay, so the brown sugar got a little crispy on us. All right, so now we're going to take a mason jar. So you can get this cocktail set, which is super fun to have.
I was going to ask, do we need it?
It's fun to have. It's
fun
pretty.
to have.
You can have it. You can, but no, you don't need it.
You don't need it.
We're going to do a mason jar. So this mason jar is going to be your friend when we're going to shake things up.
Nice.
But we are going to take a cinnamon stick and we are going to blowtorch it so it gives a little bit more of that smoky. I know.
You may not need this shaker set, but you need a blowtorch, okay? You need a blowtorch.
So we're just going to light that cinnamon stick on fire because we want the smokiness from it to kind of carry in. So I'm going to have you hurry and put that lid on.
Okay.
There you go. And we're going to let
hurry.
the smoke. There you go. Just for a second.
Okay.
Yep. And then we're going to add our other yummy ingredients. So we have a caramel.
I can smell it.
Can you smell
Yeah,
that?
I
See,
can
that's
smell
going to infuse into your drink, which is so great.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we've got our, this is our, I think, which one did we get? I think it's the butter cookie. That one, yeah. It's like a brown butter.
Oh, brown butter chocolate
This is where you
chip
can have fun with your creamers again, right?
I just want to drink that.
I know, huh?
Okay.
So we are going to put our creamer in there.
Okay.
And we are going to put a little brown sugar.
You don't really need me. Okay.
There we go.
I was ready. Okay.
A little brown sugar. And then ice.
Okay.
And this is where, see how the smoke's still coming up from that? So you're going to get that nice
This is like
smoky
magic.
flavor. I know, it's fun.
It is.
So now, shake, shake, shake.
So you could use this. I mean, you could get, I mean, she's about to flip this cup in the air.
I know, right?
Behind the back. Let's do it.
Oh, I wish. That'd be fun.
I know, that would be
That'd be fun. All right, so we're going to put a little ice in there.
Okay.
Now this one you don't have to strain, but there are fun strainers, and we're going to use it on this one over here. Well, I'm going to catch that cinnamon stick before it comes out. Oh, we're
guess
good.
what?
Even better.
It strained itself.
Even better. Now we're going to top it off. Now you don't ever want to shake anything that has bubbly in it. Okay, so any of your sodas,
makes a lot of
the
sense,
tonic water, the ginger beer. So then we're just going to top that.
Okay, is this ginger beer?
This is.
Okay.
Yep. So take your spoon, your stir, give it a quick stir. And
who's not going to want to drink this at your holiday party?
That's what I'm saying. And take a little gingerbread cookie, cut out a little triangle out.
So
and look at that.
cute.
Look how fun that is. And that is done.
Nettie, that is so cute. That's so cute. I love that. Okay, gingerbread check. Next, you're gonna do a cookie butter base.
Yes. Okay, who doesn't love cookie butter?
There's
like,
no
it's
one.
Not like Santa's not the only one that loves cookies. We love cookie butter. Like it is really our friend. So that one is going in there, and we're gonna have a little bit of a caramel creamer going into that one.
Caramel creamer.
I've got some water because we just need to make sure it's all breaking down in there. And again, add your ice. And let me get one more little scoop of ice there. And now we're gonna shake this one up. So this is the cookie butter teeny.
Cookie butter teeny.
So this is where you wanna shake, shake, shake. Do you wanna shake it?
Yeah, I do.
Give it a little shake. There you go. Beautiful. Meanwhile, I'm gonna take a little cookie butter and we're just gonna spread it right there on the edge. Just kind of, just gonna smear it on there.
Smear it, zhuzh it, shake
All the things.
This is some serious chef talk today.
I mean, I'm intense here today.
I love it. I feel really good about that.
Perfect. Now we are going to use a strainer for this one because in a traditional teeny, right, it's always strained. Okay. So you want it ice cold, but you just want
Okay.
that. So there's your
There's your teeny.
Yep. And
So
we're gonna
good.
add a little bit of the, oops, I just made a mess.
That's all right.
The tonic water. Tonic water
Oh.
is your friend, just to get that little extra
Yeah.
zhuzh, right?
Yeah.
There we go. So we're just gonna add a little bit. So do you want to try it?
I mean, yeah.
Okay.
I was waiting for
Good.
you to ask, and I was
Good.
not going to tell you no.
Okay, good.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's set that to the side for me.
I know,
That's
right?
really, really yummy. And you know what? It's actually not as sweet as I thought it was going to be because
Yeah.
of tonic water.
Right. You can
It helps it lighten it a little bit.
It does, and you can
helps it.
you can add more in there if you'd like.
Okay,
So this is your
okay.
traditional shaker, okay? We're
Right.
going to muddle. We're going to use a muddler. If you don't have a muddler, you can use the back of a spoon.
Now this is real kitchen talk. A muddler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are going to squeeze in some of our limes.
This is like your fresh cranberry Christmas drink. Okay.
Yes.
What's
So
this one called? What are we calling
so
this
this one's Tis the Season.
Tis the season.
Yeah,
yes,
we are
it
going
is.
to take a few of those sprigs off of that rosemary.
This is what we're about
okay?
to muddle.
Yes, we are going to muddle the herbs and all of that, and a few cranberries in there. But we're going to just kind of make our garnish as well.
Oh,
because you want to make
cute.
sure whatever you're garnishing on the side is telling you what you're about to drink, right? So there's our garnish for that drink. Let me move this little cute guy out of the way.
Okay.
Okay, a few cranberries in there. Okay, now we're going to muddle it. So
Muddle.
we're going to squeeze it, smush it, stomp it, all those things.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
You're working for this drink.
I know.
This one's
You are.
serious. This
You
one's
are.
serious.
Yes.
So once we've muddled,
We're gonna add our cranberry juice.
more cranberry.
Yep. And we are gonna use our coconut creamer.
Oh,
Yes.
I'm into this one already.
I know, right?
This one sounds amazing.
And then your ice.
Okay.
And
And she only uses Pebble. Just to note. Just to note that I've noticed.
yeah.
I
So
gotta
it's
get
a
this
shaker.
technique down.
Yeah. So you kind of want to get into a rhythm of it. So you're kind of like,
Yeah.
I don't know, go to like
Yeah.
some kind of rhythm.
Like a dinner and a show.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. You didn't know that when you were showing up to our house.
And listen, and the people love it.
So this also comes with a great strainer, so
Okay.
it's even better when
Great.
you're doing a quick.
As you pour this one, tell us where we
Yes.
can find all these amazing recipes on your website.
Chef Nettie Frank on all social media sites. And yeah, I'm just a lot of Instagram, whatever, all the social media.
So good. Chef Nettie Frank.
Thanks for having
Fun
me.
follow. We love you. Thanks,
Thanks for
friend.
having me.